Alright guys, we're back again, hopefully to finish the Acadia project. Discovered an oil leak on its maiden test journey and found out there was a bolt missing in the front cover, which apparently the junkyard decided to take out. So that's back in. All the missing oil pan bolts the junkyard took out are back in. Figured it went this far. I don't think the front seal was leaking, but since I had to take the balancer off anyway for 12 bucks, I got a new one of those to go in there. And of course I forgot something to pull it out of there with. So let me grab that and we'll try to whip this thing out real quick tonight. Alright, here goes. Now my seal puller. Come on, baby. There's that. Don't really think that was leaking, but you know, for 12 bucks we'll change it here. Hopefully Mr. O'Reilly gave me the right part. The kid the other night couldn't find it, so I had to wait. So I have great access here. Guess I should have done this without the car, but it started. I looked around for a large socket or something to pound on it with. Couldn't find one, but I did find this, so don't laugh. It's a spare wire wheel from my grinder, but the dimensions work out pretty well. They work out okay. The ergonomics kind of suck. So let's resort to something a little different. Alright, I'm going to find something I can get up there and knock that top in a little bit. Okay, so we're going to do a little hammer on hammer handle technique. Uh-oh. Find something a little more mass. Okay, I think we're started. It's going to be a little unconventional setup on this seal driving episode. I'll try that about right there. Try that about right there. I'll try this. Whoop, took the light with it. Alright, fairly successful. See if we can continue on with that. Now, I think we can knock it in there the rest of the way. Alright, we'll peck on that a little more. Bring you back when that's done. Okay, that thing's finally in there. Next is the balancer. Of course, you can't see that very well either. So, that's the sealing surface. Looks fine. Let me get a little oil on there so I don't put that seal in dry. We'll be right back. Okay, seal's in there. There's the balancer. Got a little bit of oil rubbed on. Where the seal goes. There's a keyway in the balancer. Line that up. The key in the crankshaft. It might tap in a little bit, I don't know. Probably not far. Oh, one thing I meant to show you on there, we may have neglected on the first episode. This all came apart. This is my old balancer. You really can't see it. Let me get the light back here. It has flats right there. That's for your puller to get a hold of. Didn't know that, so the first time it came off was a little rough, but taking this one off was pretty easy. Shouldn't have to do it, but I did. Let's see if that bolt's going to grab it. No. That bolt is not long enough to get a hold of that thing. So, we're going to have to knock that thing on there a little bit. So, see what kind of unorthodox method we can get there. Back to the seal driver. I got a few taps. Now the balancer bolt starts. These parts go flying. It's going to get noisy because we are going to impact this bad boy on there. Alright, that's tightened up in my book. Okay, took the belt off. I left everything pretty much where it should go. Guess it popped off the AC compressor. That's on. Now, just need to bring the tensioner back and get it over the balancer. Which is proving to be a little bit of a pain. But you get the picture, because you're probably going to get knocked out of the way here in a second. So we'll get that on. Then we'll put the inner fender in. Put the wheel back on. Put a quart of oil in it and see what happens from there. So thank y'all for watching and subscribing, and we'll have some more fun stuff in the future. See ya.